Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to the previous video that's important for you, especially for computer related department. It's help for you for exam. Let's see today's video about web programming, multiple choice questions. Let's see each question one by one. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The first question, what does the doc type HTML tag declares? A. The document type and version of HTML. B. The character encoding of the document. C. The language of the document. D. The title of the web page. The correct answer is A. The document type and the version of HTML that tells the browser. So this doc type refers the document, the type of document, and the version of HTML. 2. In which HTML version is doc type HTML tag primarily used? For this declaration, the version of HTML is HTML5. C is the correct answer. 3. Is doc type HTML tag or declaration required for HTML documents for all? Is that required, this declaration, the doc type declaration? The correct answer is no, it is optional and will work without this declaration. So B is the correct answer. 4. What is the main benefit of using the doc type HTML declaration? The main benefit or the advantage of declaration of the doc type HTML tag is that ensures standard compliances in the browser. C is the correct answer. 5. Which element is the root element of HTML document? The root element. The root element of HTML document, which is HTML, that includes all the elements. So C is the correct answer. 6. What is the primary purpose of the HTML element in an HTML document? In the HTML document, the root element, which is HTML, have the advantage to contain all other elements of the HTML documents. Its advantages including all other elements on the HTML document. So the root element is used to include all other elements. 7. What attribute can be used with HTML element to specify the language of the document? The lang element is specify the language of the document. A is the correct answer. 8. Which HTML element contains meta information about HTML page? The HTML elements that include meta information about the HTML pages, which is the heading. The head element that include meta information. 9. What is the purpose of H1 to H6 elements or tag elements in HTML document? These tags are important to define the heading and subheadings. When we use heading 1, then heading 2, this is the heading or the title. This is the subheading. So to define the heading and subheading is the advantage of the tags start from H1 to H6. 10. If you want to create main title for a web page, which heading tag should you use? When we want to create the main title for the web page, the type of heading that main title is the heading 1 or the largest heading from the heading tags. Totally, For HTML, there are 6 heading tags, which start from H1 up to H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So this is the least or smallest. This is the largest that used for titles. So for the main title for our page, we have to use the heading one. Is the correct answer. 11. What is the correct HTML markup for document type declaration? For the document type declaration, the correct syntax or the correct markup is, which is A. There is an angle bracket and exclamation mark and then doc type, then HTML. As you know, HTML is not case sensitive. We can write as a capital, a caps lock, or small case. So A is the correct answer. 12. What is the correct HTML tag for inserting an image? In order to insert an image in HTML page or in HTML document, we use the img element, which is enclosed by angle bracket, and then there is source src, and then equal sign the directory of the image or the file name. The directory includes the file name dot either jpg or png. So the correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. There is img element, sr is the source, and then this is the syntax. This is the file name, the image file name, image indicates. And the file extension for the image file extension JPEG type of file extension. So A is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which tag is used to create checkbox in HTML? In order to create the checkbox, which indicates there is a checkbox, list of checkboxes. Then that checkbox checked if someone went to the alternative. So to create the checkbox in HTML, there is the syntax, which is the input type, and then the name. C is the correct answer. Question number 14. To show delete text, which HTML element is used? In order to delete the text in HTML document, the HTML element that used is the del element, which is enclosed by the angle brackets. So A is the correct answer. Question number 50, or the last question for today's video. Which of the following extension is used to save an HTML file? In order to save HTML file, we can use, or we have to use, save the file with .html file extension. This is the correct answer. Thank you. This is the last question. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends, and press the notification symbol to get for further video for the next time. Bye bye.